getting back on this welding table, or the welding cart that we're making, I gotta fix the welding table before I can weld anymore, or before I can really do anything with this cart. I broke this off, so I'm gonna grind this down and I'll weld this back on. I mean, it's just some, I don't know, little cheesy tack welds, so we'll clean that up, get them welded on better, and I really should go around and clean the rest of these up, but I'm not going to. So I'm just not that concerned. The other thing I'm going to do while I have it there is I'm going to flip these the other way. I didn't think about it when I put it together, but I want them the other way so I can put something in here as like a tray or a table, and put tools and stuff in here and not have them fall through. So I'm going to do that while I have it apart, and then go ahead and zip out a piece of metal to do this yet too. So that's done. And then put that in here and secure it somehow so we have a nice little tray here, and then put this thing back together, and then we'll start on actual brackets and stuff for the welding cart. Got the this all cleaned up here and ready to tack in. So got the welder set up, so I'll go ahead and spot that, or well, I'm going to run a pretty good bead top and bottom, and then work on flipping these mounts. Okay, so we got those brackets flipped, and I got that welded up. Good. So I'm going to let that cool for a little black paint on that thing yet. Making sure my microphone's on here. So it's like my control. Anyways, now you should be able to hear me good. Got that welded on, and letting that cool. We'll hit some black paint on that. I'm going to measure this table area here and get that zipped out of some sheet metal I got over there, and then put that in once we get the wheel on it, and should be able to go back together with it then. Watching the desert race for King of the Hammers, so that gives you some timeline as to what day this is. Gonna start assembling these now. These are the trays that these are gonna sit in. I just finished sanding them up, so that one will hold the plasma, and we'll tack them and just check them. And then this one will hold the MIG. Same thing. I'm gonna get them on here, tack them, and just sort of check them to make sure they're good, and then I'll burn them in. So let me get some fixtures on here to hold everything real good, and I'll get them tacked in. That's gonna bolt on then to this flange here. Kind of what we're going for. I got the beams all welded up and taken care of, so they look nice. Just be going to a Korean tomorrow, but I should be able to get this whole cart finished up. Hopefully. I don't have a ton left to do on it, so